It's more of a glue. Yes, glue. Really liking this. Oh, look at how pretty that is. Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a palette bingo. This is going to be a collaboration with a few of my friends here on YouTube. I'm not sure who exactly is doing it. We just kind of have a group chat and we like send each other like, oh, do you want to do this challenge? Do you want to do this collab? And whoever does it, does it. And we decide on a day to upload and whatever. And yeah, I'll just have the playlist in the description down below so you guys can check out their videos when you're done watching mine. But palette bingo is so much fun. I've never done one before, but I've seen them so many times and I've been dying to try them out. So yeah, before I get into this video, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a new video. I upload every other day on YouTube. Getting back to it, I promise. I would also love for you to head over to my Instagram and show me some love there. I post creative looks every single day. And yeah, let's get into this palette bingo. So we decided we would do an 18 pan palette bingo because that way it's more interesting than just like a 12 pan or a 9 pan. But I think I'm gonna cheat a little bit, I'm not gonna lie, because I just ordered these and they came yesterday, so I was like, I gotta try these out. These are from Colourpop and they're from their new pastel collection. The first is the Colourpop in a Trance palette and the second is the Colourpop Aura and Out palette. So I'm gonna do this one as number 1 and this one as number 2, and that's how I'm gonna decide what numbers. Hopefully I'm not cheating too much because I'm pretty sure they're using like actual 18 pan palettes. But this is what it looks like. This is what the first palette looks like, and I'm really excited to try these out. So I think that they complement each other really, really well, and it'll also look really nice together. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try these out. I had to order these. They're so pretty. So this is the In a Trance palette. It's more of a blue, purple, pink based palette, and it is so stunning, man. That middle shade is calling my name. I hope I get it. And then this is the Aura and Out palette. It's more of a glue, yes, glue, a blue, green, yellow, orangish based palette. So like I said, the In a Trance will be number 1, the Aura and Out will be number 2. So I'm gonna hold them like this so I don't get confused and put them right in front of me. I'll go ahead and do swatches of all the shades that Google tells me to do so that I know exactly, like I can have a visual of what I have to do, because this is gonna be so interesting. You know what, I'm just gonna ask Siri, is that okay? Hey Siri, pick a number 1 through 18.
A random number between 1 and 18 is 13.
Yeah, she has an Australian accent. All right, 13. So now I have to do, so this is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I got this yellow shade right here. Oh man. It's a matte yellow, but it has some sparkle. So I'm like a little scared. Oh, we decided to choose 5, by the way, 5 shades. I should get a makeup wipe. You know what? I ran out of makeup wipes, so that's gonna be interesting.
It's 11.
Number 11 is this one. I wish I had gotten the middle one of the other palette, but it's okay. Hopefully I don't get both because that would be excessive. This definitely seems like a pressed like glitter shade. Definitely good for the inner corner. I already know what I'm gonna do with that one, honestly. I really hope I get some interesting colors though, and like some of the blues and purples and pinks. Oh, that's such a pretty shade though. I'm so excited.
The answer is 1.
Oh, 1 is this one, which is very similar to the one I just swatched. I don't think it's the same formula though. Yeah, it's just a shimmer shade, so it's not like, ooh, look at that duochrome though. Do you see that, guys? It's so pretty. I just wish I had gotten something a little bit more interesting.
It's 8.
8. Ooh, okay, finally one of the colors. So 8 would be this one right here, this purple. So yay, we have a matte shade finally. And then we have one more. So, oh, that's such a nice shade. I love that lilac shade.
It's 12.
Ooh, okay. I can deal with that one. So that's this one. 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, this one. Ugh, it has some shimmer in it. Definitely. I don't think it's completely matte. So this will look really pretty on the lid. Oh my gosh, I have an idea of what I'm gonna do. How exciting. Okay, so this is what we have to work with. Let's go ahead and start. So the first shade I'm gonna take is the purple. I'm gonna put that all over the crease. Obviously, there's really not much else I can do with that. I'm so excited to try the rest of this palette. Oh my gosh, so excited. So I'm just gonna put this all over the crease. I am loving these kinds of colors. I love pastel-y purples and blues, so this is really exciting. Okay, now that that's done, I'm gonna cut my crease real quick. This is like it's super boring in the crease, but all the other shades are really for the lid, the inner corner, you know, that kind of thing. So whatever, we're just gonna make the best out of it. and see how this look turns out. Alright, so the first shade I'm going to take on the lid is this one. And this is like a yellow, but it has sparkle. It looks matte, but it's more of a satin, I'm pretty sure. You probably could put this in the crease, but I don't know. I'm just so weird about shimmer in my crease. I don't think it looks good. But I think that these two shades together are going to look so pretty. But I'm going to put this only on like the first half of my lid. This is such a stunning shade. I really like it. All right, and then I'm gonna take this shade over here, which is definitely more of a shimmer shade than a matte shade, but it has like a similar formula to the yellow that I just put down. And I'm just gonna put that on the rest of the lid. Oh, I love this shade. I love the sparkle. It's so pretty. I haven't used Colourpop eyeshadows in a hot minute, and man, am I missing out. So I'm going to blend these two shades together to make sure there's like not a harsh line. Yes, I use the same brush. It does not matter. I just use the other side. Conserving product here. Not product, but you know, resources, I guess. Look at the shimmer. Do you guys, I don't know if it's going to pick up on camera. It is so pretty. Love it. All right, I'm going to take a little bit more of that yellow and just mix the two together. Make sure there's no harsh line. And a little bit more of the blue. That's how you really, really blend very well. I'm obsessing. Kind of wish I pulled this more this way, so I'm gonna do that. This blue shade. I think the blue shade might be my favorite out of all of them, but the yellow looks really pretty too. This is such a good idea to do a palette bingo for the first time using a palette ever, because it just really gives you an idea of what the palette's about. But what I do want to do at the end of this video, maybe, we'll see, is swatch the rest of the palette, because I'm dying to see how they swatch and what the other colors look like. I definitely want to do more looks with these palettes. They're so pretty. And by the way, there was a third palette that came in this collection. I just really wasn't interested. It was very, very neutral for me. And as you can see, I'm more of a colorful person. I just really don't have that many pastels. So I was so excited to pick this palette up. Man, they're blending so nicely. All right, I'm gonna take a little bit more of that first purple shade and just, you know, blend the outer corner together. Such a pretty look. I think the palette bingo was nice to me today. I've seen some palette bingos where they're not nice. It's not nice to the people. I got lucky. All right, and then I have one more shade to use from this palette. It was number 1, right? Yeah, number 1. So I'm gonna take this shade and just put it on the very inner part of my lid. I don't know if that's cheating. Whoa. Lots of fallout with this one. You know what? I just might extend it over the yellow and just make it like a topper for the yellow. Make it a little bit more shimmery. Yeah, I think that looks nice. Not what I would have done with this, but since I have to use the shade, kind of wish I didn't get that one. Really liking this. All right, I still have one more for the inner corner, but let's go ahead and do the lower lash line first. Let me find my brush. I'm gonna take this pencil brush. I need to wash my brushes so badly. It's been a hot minute, like maybe a month or more. I spot clean them every day, I promise, and it has a disinfectant in it, but it's just not the same as washing your brushes, you know? I gotta actually deep clean them with soap. I'm gonna take that same purple shade and put it on the lower lash line. Okay, and then for the inner corner, I'm gonna take this shade right here. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. It definitely is like a glitter. Oh, look at how pretty that is. I literally got way too excited over that. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty. I love the glitter. I love it. It is so pretty. It's not going everywhere. I didn't even use like a glitter adhesive, a glitter primer, anything. And it's staying, oh my gosh, it's staying put. Okay, you know what? I want to swatch the rest of this palette because I just have to, okay? Let's just do it. So, oh my gosh, I love it. So pretty. I definitely want to do maybe like a 3 looks. How do I call that though? I was gonna say 3 looks 1 palette, but with both of the palettes. Oh my gosh, this one shade right here, I'm excited. It's very similar to the other one, but I think it's even more of a pressed glitter, like if that makes sense. Like look at how loose. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It has more of a purple tint. This one has more of a green blue shift, I guess. Oh, this one looks stunning too. I don't even have a makeup wipe to wipe my, I'm gonna need to take a paper towel. This one looks really stunning too. Such a pretty blue shade. And I love the shimmer. And then the other matte shade that I didn't use is this one. Look at how gorgeous. Okay, that was a horrible swatch on my part, my bad. I mean, pastels are just very hard to swatch, so I'm loving this. I'm loving it. It's such a pastel vibe, and I've been dying to find a pastel palette, so I finally did. So this white, getting a phone call, hold on. Hello? This white here, I don't know, that's kind of boring. Should I swatch it anyway? Yeah, let's swatch it anyway, why not? Let's see how, oh, wow, get pretty. Get pretty. I'm gonna swatch this lime green. Oh, I wanna use the lime green so badly. I don't have a shade like that in my collection. Honestly, these tones are all so pretty. I'm obsessing. This orange shade is gorgeous. Look at this green shimmer. I'm like the worst swatcher in the world. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna have to swatch over here. I ran out of room. Oh, look at how pretty the shimmer is. And then, oh my gosh, this shade is like totally my vibe right here. This last shade, it reminds me of like mermaid vibes. I don't know why. Look at how pretty. These palettes are to die for. So happy I purchased them. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be creating so many looks. This is totally not a combo that I would have ever thought to do. So I'm really excited that I came up with this, and well, you know, Palette Bingo gave me these options. So pretty. That glitter shade, speaking to my life, all right? I'm gonna go ahead and put on lashes off camera, and I'll be right back. I'm just gonna put some white eyeliner in my waterline. So I'm thinking I'm actually gonna put some shadow there as well. We'll see. We'll see how I feel about it. I think I am gonna do colored lashes as well. That's why I don't have black mascara on my lower lash line. I don't know, this is like not working very well. So I think I'm gonna put the yellow shade, wait, it was this one that I used, right? Yeah, in the waterline. I love doing this with the shadow. I think it looks really nice. And for the colored lashes, I'm gonna take the other shade that I took on the lid, which was this one, the blue one. It's gonna look so pretty. Look at that. It just makes it like super unique looking. And I don't know if I recorded anything that I just said. Anyway, I'm gonna be taking the Colourpop lippy sticks in the shade Aquarius. This is literally my favorite lip product from Colourpop ever. It is a cream lipstick. So it's very creamy and hydrating to the lips. And this is the most perfect shade. It's an everyday nude, at least for me. And I love it so much that I'm out of it. I literally need to purchase a new one, even though I thought I did. I just can't find it anywhere. I need to look for it, and if I can't find it, just order a new one. These are so affordable and so amazing. This is the finished look. This was so much fun. I love doing palette bingos officially, even though this is my first one. I definitely want to do more. Let me know what palettes you want to see me do palette bingo with. I think it would be so fun to do a palette bingo with like a big palette, like my James Charles palette or my Be Perfect Cosmetics palette that's huge and has a bunch of different colors, and see how I make those work. It would be so fun. But yeah, that's it for this video. Don't forget to go check out the other ladies that have done this challenge as well. The playlist will be in the description because they're also awesome. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and I hope you'll consider subscribing before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hello. Okay. Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a palette bingo. Whoever's gonna be hey Siri, pick a number 1 through 18. Okay, she died.